Good day, everyone. My name is actually Dondoyano, grade 11 Ruby. My topic for today is apply quality standards. Objectives: assist on works. The following certain procedure is very important to perform a given operation. The table below shows the different elements and their corresponding performance criteria to be able to identify occupational health and safety hazards and assist the risk, as well as following instructions, procedures in the workplace with minimal supervision. Number 1. Identify hazards and assist the risk. Identify hazards in the work area during the performance of workplace duties. Assess level of risk. Number 2. Follow procedures and strategies for risk control. Report hazard in the work area to designate personnel according to the workplace procedures. Follow workplace procedures and work instruction for assessing and controlling risk with minimal supervision. Whenever necessary within the scope of responsibilities and competencies, follow workplace procedures to dealing with hazard and accidents, fire, and other emergencies. Number 3. Contribute to OHS in the workplace. Describe employee rights regarding consultation on OHS matters. Raise a task or job specific on OHS issue within appropriate people in accordance within workplace procedures and relevant OH legislative requirements. Participate in agreement for OHS management in the workplace within organizational procedures and the scope of responsibilities and competencies. Provide feedback to supervisor on hazard in work area in the line of organizational OHS policies and procedures. Provide in support in implementing procedures to control the risk in accordance within organizational procedures. Types and work-related errors. Quantity of work, poor prioritizing, timing, scheduling, loss of time, tardiness, absentees, leaving without permission, excessive visits, phone use, break time, use of internet, misuse of sick leaving, slow response to work requests, and timely completion of assignments, and preventable accidents. Quality of work, inaccuracy, errors, failure to meet the expectation for product quality, cost or service, customer and client dissatisfaction, spoilage and or waste of material, inappropriate or poor work methods. Work behavior which result in performance problem. Inappropriate behavior, negativism, lack of cooperation, hostility, failure or refusal to follow instruction, unwillingness to take responsibilities, insubordination, and power games. Resistance to change, unwillingness, refusal, inability to update skills, resistance to policy, procedures, work method changes, and lack of flexibility in response to problems. Inappropriate interpersonal relations, inappropriate communication style, over-aggressive, passive, impatient, inconsiderate, argumentative, destructive humor, sarcasm, horseplay, fighting, inappropriate conflict with others, customers, co-workers, and supervisors. Inappropriate physical behaviors, smoking, eating, drinking in inappropriate place, sleeping on the job, alcohol or drug use, problem with personal hygiene, threatening, hostile, and intimidating behaviors. Standards. Standards is a set of rules that outline specifications of dimension, design of operation, material and performance, or describe a quality of materials, products, or system. Specific quality standards for number 1. Hardware. The durability of work depends on quality of its component parts and the assembly skills of those who install it. If the best quality products or hardware are used, but are installed incorrectly, a system will be failed. 2. Production processes. In production processes, checking of quality assurance must be highly considered. Quality assurance covers all activities from design, development, production, installation, servicing, and documentation. Failure testing, a variable process to perform on a whole consumer products, is a failure testing. The operation of a product until it fails, often under stress such as increasing vibration, temperature, and humidity. B. Statistical control. Many organizations use statistical process control to bring the organization to Six Sigma levels of quality. In other words, so that the likelihood of unexpected failures is confined to strict standards, deviation of normal distribution. Company quality. The company-wide quality approach plays and of these three aspects are deficient in any way, perhaps on three aspects, elements such as control, job management, a quality process, perform and integrity criteria, and identification of records. Competence such as knowledge, skills, experience, and qualifications. Soft elements such as personal integrity, confident organization, culture, motivation, team spirit, and quality relationships. D. Total quality control. Total quality control is the most necessary inspection control of all in case where, despite statistical quality control techniques, quality improvement implementing in sale decrease. As the most important factor had been ignored, a few refinements had to be introduced. Example, marketing had to be carry out their work properly and define the customer specification. Specification had to be defined to conform to these requirements. Conformance to the specification, in other words, drawing, standards, and other relevant documents are introduced during manufacturing, planning, and control. Thank you and God bless.